Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram so you don't miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So, guys, follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section. So, let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our meta, right? So, guys, once again, click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of it. So, let's go to our weekly time frame to understand the trend on our meta. So, with that movement, we can now predict what markets will do. Remember, we have three movements, right? In any trade, it's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally raging. So with what we are seeing right here, it is very clear that our main trend, which is the full bigger picture on beta, is trending to the upside. We all remember we have the main trend and we have the current trend. So this is the main trend. Market is trending to the upside. But when you zoom it in and you look at the current trend, market is trending to the downside. Because we want to see what markets will be doing for this week, we will be taking a look at our current trend, which is this movement here that is trending to the downside. So that is a sell market is doing. So with this movement, market did is the low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually gave us another drop, which is a lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually gave us another drop, which is a lower low, and here comes the lower high. So with this movement, right, we are anticipating for another sell to play out on our meta, thereby forming a new lower low. So if you are a swing trader or if you are a position trader, you should be expecting meta to drop back to this low, coming back to a level of 590. That is what we should be expecting in the next probably 2 months. We can give ourselves in the next 2 months. It depends on how markets will movement. It depends on how volatile the markets will be and how markets will move. We expect this movement to actually drop, right, to come to a level 590. That is our prediction on our weekly time frame. Now let's go down to our daily time frame. So what is the daily time frame actually doing? It seems that there is a multiple rejection here, this level. So hopefully it gives us one more movement, hopefully, before it drops. And if it does not give us that one more movement up, it will most likely drop here. So these are the two potential levels where meta would likely drop. It's either meta will drop from this our level where we currently are. It's either it drop from this our level where we currently are, right? It drops down, or it push up a little bit, and eventually drop again. So whatever meta does, we should be looking for a sell, and we should only go ahead and take the sell once we get the sell set up. If we do not find the sell and if we do not see the sell, it will be best we do not take the sell. Only take the sell once you see the sell set up. Now, could there be any changes to this movement that we predicted? Absolutely yes, there could be any changes. But if there will be any changes, right? If there will be any changes to this move, things that we predicted, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. In order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, guys, once again, once you click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification. So, this week we should be expecting some sell on our meta.